You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Nollywood actress Wunmi Toriola shared on her Instagram page a photo of her husband cuddling their son. Wunmi Toriola's husband was seen giving the baby a peck. Not long after Sikiratu Sindodo, Aishat Lawal, and other Nollywood stars flooded her comment section to react to the picture Wunmi shared.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, kindly comment and share. Thank you, Boya TV.